Are you looking for a new steering wheel for your 15 to 20 Ford F-150 or 17 to 20 Ford Raptor? Well, stick around for today's video because CJ Pony Parts has a steering wheel for you. These are the new Accelatec steering wheels for the 15 to 20 Ford F-150 and the 17 to 20 Ford Raptor. Now, right off the first glance, you can notice that these steering wheels have a much sportier look than the factory steering wheel, and we have two different options you can actually purchase these steering wheels in. Now, we have one where it's a full leather with red stitching and a red stripe in the center, and then we also have one where it's half leather, carbon, red stitching with a red stripe in the center as well. Besides that, you can notice the shape difference between the Accelatec wheel and the factory wheel. Where you usually would put your hand on the factory wheel is about 2 inches thicker on the Accelatec wheel. This allows it to be a lot more comfortable and honestly gives a lot more grip when handling the wheel. Now, as far as installing these wheels go, there's no modifications needed. They're a direct replacement for the factory wheel. You'll actually want to keep the factory airbag and the factory controls because they'll transfer over to this new steering wheel, so that way you don't lose any of the features your old factory steering wheel had. Now, one thing I do want to mention while we're talking about installing and airbags, when you do purchase one of these steering wheels from cjponyparts.com, you have to get these installed by a professional because if you don't, you could end up causing harm to yourself or the vehicle, so definitely look for some professional help to get these installed. Of course, we'll show you what the Accelatec wheels look like in the F-150, so let's go ahead and jump into it and get a better look at them. As you can see, we have the all-leather steering wheel in here with the red stitching and the red stripe. The red stitching and the red stripe really matches with the interior well. And here we have the carbon fiber version of the steering wheel. Still has the red stitching and the red stripe in the middle, and still really sets off the interior look of the truck. Whether you're looking to change the appearance of the interior of your Ford F-150 or Raptor, or just get a more of a sporty feel, this is definitely going to be the best steering wheel for you. The steering wheel is made out of very high quality material, which will be able to keep you as safe as possible, just like the factory steering wheel did. Now, besides the look of the steering wheel, this is going to be the best steering wheel for you if you want to keep all of your factory options as well. If you're looking to pick one up for your Ford F-150, let us know in the comments section below. You can find these exclusively on cjponyparts.com. Now it's time to drop a gear and disappear. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, if you need any off-road parts, then just click the link down below in the description.